Hello friends, I am Saurabh Khandelwal. I am a diamond expert. Today we are going to discuss about basic diamond introduction and basic 4Cs information. So let's start. So this is a typical diamond mine located in Canada, which is popular by the name of Ekati. So you can see these are the three diamond pits. So the pits are approximately in the depth of 400 to 700 meters. So depending on the presence of diamonds, though diamonds are formed below the Earth's surface about 150 kilometers, but obviously they travel through lava and other Earth system, and they come to the Earth's crust on the depth of 400 to 700 meters, where different machineries, where geologists use different mechanisms to detect the diamonds. Diamonds are formed inside the kimberlite rock, and they are formed in the crystal shape. If you understand the basic science behind the diamonds are basically carbons in the purest form. So usually if you see this picture, these are all different kinds of diamonds. They are basically in the octahedral shape. Octahedral shape can be defined as a pyramid, back-to-back pyramids, two pyramids facing each other backwards. So they are basically typically the shape where diamonds are found naturally. So after obviously mining, these diamonds are processed. Diamonds are polished and cut to the different shapes. As you can see on the left, there are rough diamonds, and after cutting and polishing, you can see the polished diamonds and the luster and the brilliance that they are showing. The diamonds are typically formed at the temperatures of thousands of degrees and a lot of pressure. So they are actually nature's gift, and they are actually very rare. So understanding 4Cs of diamonds, the basic 4Cs are basic: the clarity, the color, the cut, and the carat. So these 4Cs define the not just the diamond's quality, but also the pricing is done on these basis itself. So we'll understand each of them. Clarity basically defines transparency in diamonds. So the presence of different kind of inclusions. So basically you must have heard of feathers, crystals, and other similar things present in diamonds. They are obviously naturally, and their presence in diamond obviously enhance or upgrades or degrade their clarity grades. So depending on their position, the number of inclusions, they are called inclusions of course, depending on all of them, the clarity grade is assigned. So different clarity grades given by the world's different laboratories are here. So IFS being the highest, internally flawless, then comes the VVS, VS, SI, then I, and the last is PK. So PK is basically opaque diamond, and they are not usually used in jewelry, but till I diamonds are used in jewelry. So IF being the top grade, so they're obviously further classified into different grades, but we're not talking about all of them in this video. You can obviously go to my YouTube channel and see a typical video on clarity or a typical color and cut video. So they are pretty detailed videos. You can please take a look at them. So these are different clarity grades that's shown in the illustration. So you can see I2, SI2, VS2, and VVS2. So red markings are shown here are inclusions in diamonds. So there are different inclusions shown here with different structures. So these inclusions are done by a trained grader, with a lot of experience. So this is not something which you can see with your own naked eyes or even with a loupe, but of course with the help of the certification, these things can be easily judged. So this was the clarity grades, and now we will talk about the next C, which is color. So color defines the presence of different colors or colorless in diamonds. So the colorless being the highest, which is also called the white diamond. So these are different clarity grades. If you can see, the diamonds are placed upside down. Just remember this. So the top color is D, which is shown here, and the last and the lowest color is Z. And you can see the difference between D and H, H and N, and N and Z. So these are obviously they are very apart. The color starts from D, which is the top. It goes down to D, E, F, G, which stands for almost white, and then comes HIJ, which is slightly tinted. Then comes KLM, which is tinted. Then comes N to Z, which are tinted colors, which are which shows obvious color to the eye. Then comes the last Z plus. So basically diamond colors are divided into 4 categories. So on the left, as you can see, I've mentioned, so most popular, most prominent colors in diamonds are yellow, brown and white. So yellow and brown are the most found colors, and then comes the rare, which is white, and all the other colors, because diamond color comes in a lot of colors. Almost each and every color that I can see, a natural diamond can be found. So all those colors are defined under the category of fancy colors, and which has been defined as Z plus category. So all the like pink and greens and dark yellows and orange color, they all comes under the category of fancy color, which is Z plus. So this was the international grading system of diamonds, which is done by GI and IGI, the most prominent, most popular laboratories in the world. So the information given here, if you're already liking it, please do like and subscribe, and we will continue to our subject today. So next is obviously cut. So cut grade defines the not just the shape but also the cutting quality of diamonds, because cutting quality of diamonds is very important. It directly enhances the luster and the brilliance in diamonds. So a good cutting will enhance the luster, obviously, and obviously it's a luster and brilliance that one likes and one buys the diamond. So we'll talk about the shapes first. These are the different shapes which are usually found in the market. If you go, you'll see the round, the princess, tapers, baguettes, emerald, trillion, pearl and heart. These are the most prominent shapes which are found in market. The best shape is the round, of course, because it shows highest brilliance and highest luster. So depending on the rough size and the rough shape, again the shapes of diamonds are decided. These are not the inclusive shapes, of course. There are many other shapes which are found. I've shown some more here: Asha cut and radiant, oval, cushion. So there are many other shapes beside these as well. So depending on the even the customer order, the shape can be made. So cut is divided basically into 3 parts after the shape, which is cut, polish and symmetry. They are basically defined by 5 grades, which is X, VG, G, F and P. X stands for excellent, VG is for very good, G is for good, F is for fair and P is for poor. So these 5 grades stands common for cut, polish and symmetry, but obviously they are graded on different terms. So symmetry is basically the symmetry between the different facets of the diamond, and how the polishing is done on the surface of the diamond defines the polish, and all the cut proportions, the height, the culet, all the girdle and every aspect in the cutting defines the cut of the diamond. So this was the basic introduction of the cut. I hope you must have understood. If you want to know, go in more depth, please look my cut video on the YouTube. So next is carat weight, which defines the size and weight of diamond, and carat is directly proportionate to the prices, because prices increase, increment in prices in diamonds. The first factor is carat size. So 1 carat is equal to 0.200 grams or 200 milligrams. You can easily convert from gram weight to carat weight, because usually the measurement instruments that are available in the markets are into the gram weights. But of course carat weight instruments are there, they're a little expensive and not available with every jeweler in the market. So you can easily divide by 0.200 to convert carat weight into gram weight, and similarly on the other. So this was all about the 4 C's and other different basic introduction of diamonds. Of course, I'll be posting more videos on this introduction. This is just the first one in the series, and please do like and subscribe our channel. So this is me, Saurabh Khandelwal. I'm signing off, and I hope you love the information given here. If you really like this information, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your precious time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.